everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into something really exciting and super beneficial for your skin: homemade scrubs. We all know how important exfoliating is to maintain that healthy, glowing skin, right? So today I'm going to share with you not just one, but two amazing scrub recipes that are super easy to make and really effective. Trust me, your skin is going to love this. First up, let's talk about our body scrub for skin whitening. This one is so simple and effective, and the results are just amazing. We're going to start with a coffee face scrub. Yes, you heard it right. Coffee isn't just for waking you up in the morning, it's also great for your skin. This scrub is perfect for removing all those dead skin cells and giving your skin an instant brightness boost. Plus, it's great for tackling suntan and promoting skin brightening. Alright, so let's get started on how to make this coffee scrub for both your face and body. Here's what you'll need. Take about 2 tablespoons of coffee. You can use any coffee powder you have at home. Next, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of coarsely ground sugar. Make sure the sugar is not too fine, as we want it to gently exfoliate the skin without being too harsh. Now let's talk a bit about why we're using sugar. Did you know that sugar is an excellent natural exfoliant? It helps in sloughing off the dead skin cells, revealing fresher, smoother skin underneath. That's why it's such a great ingredient in scrubs. Moving on, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Coconut oil is fantastic for the skin because it contains medium-chain fatty acids that have antimicrobial properties. This means it helps protect your skin from harmful microorganisms. Plus, it leaves your skin feeling soft and hydrated. And that's it. Mix everything well, and your coffee scrub is ready. You can store this in a container and keep it for up to a month. The great thing about this scrub is that it's loaded with antioxidants. These antioxidants are really helpful in slowing down the signs of aging, especially on sun-exposed skin. It helps fight premature aging like wrinkles, sunspots, and fine lines. Amazing, right? To use this scrub, apply it to your face and body, gently massaging in circular motions. Make sure to focus on areas where your skin tends to get rough or dull. Use this scrub at least once a week for the best results. Next up, we have the second recipe, the turmeric scrub. This one is equally wonderful and super beneficial for your skin. Turmeric is known for its incredible healing properties, especially for acne and hyperpigmentation. It really helps to lighten those stubborn dark spots and brighten the skin. For this scrub, take 2 tablespoons of coarsely ground sugar, just like before. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric. Make sure it's pure turmeric powder. Then, we'll add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. If you prefer, you can also use olive oil instead. Mix it all well until it forms a nice, smooth paste. If you have extra dry skin, feel free to add a tablespoon of almond oil. This makes the scrub even more nourishing. You can store this scrub in a closed container and use it for up to a month. The best part about this turmeric scrub is that it's both antiseptic and antibacterial, which means it helps prevent acne-causing bacteria from thriving on your skin. Plus, it has anti-inflammatory properties that help calm any irritated areas. When you're ready to use it, just apply it all over your face and body, gently massaging it in. The scrub works wonders at unclogging pores and leaving your skin feeling smooth and rejuvenated. Again, you can use this scrub once a week. And that's it! 2 amazing natural scrubs that you can easily make at home. Don't forget to apply some coconut oil after scrubbing to lock in that moisture and keep your skin feeling soft. I really hope you try these out. Let me know how it goes by leaving a comment below. Your feedback means so much to us. Also, if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. We're always here to help. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more natural skincare tips and DIY beauty hacks. See you in the next video.